Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to integrate Monday.com with Slack. We are going to use Zapier, and as you can see on the bottom of my screen, it's already 2023, and Zapier changed some things, in their UI. So let's create this integration once again. So the start remains the same. We are going to go to click on this plus sign, and it's a create zap. So we are going to create one, and the UI is a little bit different. We still have to start with our engager, or the first step, which is Monday.com. In Monday, we have to click an event that we want to start with. For example, new item in board. We hit continue. And right now we have to pick an account with the workspace. So I'm going with the one that I already have. So far, we have two green dots. So that means everything's working fine. We hit continue, and there is a choose value. And they are unable to load choices because my account is most likely expired, or I don't have any choices, or there is a custom one, but there are no choices available. But if you are working in your Monday.com workspace, you will have a lot of options in here. Then you have to continue, finish required fields. As you can see, I can't really do it right now, but that's the last step. So don't worry, it's not big of a problem. Now we have to go to actions, and we are going to write down Slack. As you can see, Slack is still an option without a premium need. So we have to pick an event now. So new item in board in Monday.com will add a reminder in Slack. We hit continue, choose an account, continue, and here will be the text. So enter the text. You can go like something like that. You can insert data, remind when, remind who. Let's go with Slack bot, enter text. Let's go like this. We hit continue and send a reminder to Slack. You can test the action if it actually works, or you can skip the test. Let's go skip the test. Automatically you will get all the green lights, and you can test the actions like this. So you finish it and you see fail to create a reminder in Slack because my account is I'm not logged in at the moment. So we're going to skip it, and that's about it. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day, and goodbye.